Good morning. Welcome to week 3. I just wanted to check in with you guys and go over what you are doing this week. So if we go ahead and open the folder for April 15th. Yeah, it's you. So this week we're going to focus on the Gilded Age. So you have 2 reading assignments, and then you also have a assignment about captains of industry and robber barons. So that's a little bit different. So what you're going to do, if you look in the folder, is you're going to watch this YouTube video, and then there's a reading for reference, and it's going to talk about people during the late 1800s who were very rich and how they got to power and whether or not they are considered captains of industry or robber barons. And this reading will explain the difference between the two. And then there's a short 10-question quiz to review the information. Okay? All right, so thank you for checking in. Thank you for getting your work done. Don't forget I have office hours every day from 9 to 11. And Mr. Rico also has office hours from 10 to 12. And you can check in with us if you have any questions. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.